Suppose this is magnetic field. This is magnetic fields of magnets. Now, to know this more about this, let us suppose this is whatsoever we know that now insulator coils. This is, we know that insulator coils. Insulator's coil cannot pass electric current, but according to physics lesson, we know that magnetic field can pass. How to prove insulators substances? This is very important one we know. There is a covers of this capillary hairs of this coil. Quite wondrous is that magnetic field can pass some layers of thickness also. This is very important now. In others to that, magnetic fields of these electromagnetic inductions then can pass through that of these many turns of this coil, and it converted into AC currents mean high voltage to prove that now scientifically now. Suppose this is a magnet. Two magnets are attracting each other. There is a magnetic field around this now. And then how to prove again? In order to know that about the magnetic fields of the substances, let's open that. These are insulators. Books is insulators of these many leaflets are there. Let you keep here, and over this now, let you keep here. They will attract. They will attract each other because of magnetic fields. There is a force of attraction in between the magnetic fields of these two magnets now. Here's also, let's keep. This is quite necessary of these magnets and its magnetic fields. And one thing we know that now how to prove it about dates. According to that of the student lessons of the physics, as well as many generators and many electrons are also applied of these theories of that. Now we find it. Then that of this, some layers of this book, it can pass, but such type of this insulator coil, such type of the insulator's coil is very laminar. It can pass easily by these magnetic fields. This is a very important, and it converts from magnetic field to electric currents is quite important and to studies about the physics lesson. Let's keep next. Let's keep magnets over this tool and keep under this now. And there is a magnetic field act. There is a magnetic field act. And the one thing we know that now here, let's keep here. And the most important of the magnetic fields that act each other. So like this now. And one thing we know that now, force of magnetic field repels each other. And one thing, instead of this, let's suppose small shifts of this. Let's keep and let's do how does it act. How does it act now like this. In these systems of this now, as the rules you find this now, what is about this piece of these idols, it can move in others to find this now. It can draw that magnetic fields act on this tool and it can pass, and here and there we know this now. That's why Magnetic fields are very important in our life of many work like this now, as a rule. In order to detect the force of attractions of that magnetic fields, it can pass insulator substance like wood also. It is proved how to note it now. As a rule, we know that magnetic field to pass that copper wires of the insulator, it can becomes AC currents either that of the high voltage now.